I'm Srey Pov. I'm your senior travel consultant here at Asia Exclusive Tour. For the last 11 years, my life has been all about travel. I have spent over a decade helping thousands of travelers plan their dream trips across Asia, from the ancient temples of Cambodia to the breathtaking landscape of Vietnam. In over a decade, I had the privilege of helping over 10,000 travelers navigate the soul-stirring landscape of Asia. From the mystical temples of Cambodia and the vibrant streets of Vietnam to the serene hills of Laos, the golden pagoda of Myanmar, and the vast wonders of China and Thailand. But my job isn't just about booking flight or hotel, it's about listening. After 11 years in the industry, I know that no two trips are the same. Whether you're seeking a spiritual retreat or a family adventure, I spent my career perfecting the art of a lifetime tour, tailoring every detail so you don't have to worry about a thing. I've seen how a sunrise over Bagan or a hidden alley in Hoi An can change a person's perspective. That's why I do what I do. I'm just not planning a trip, I'm crafting your story. My expertise is your peace of mind, ensuring that your journey through Asia is seamless, authentic, and truly unforgettable. I'm ready to turn your Asian travel dreams into reality. I'm Srey Pov, and I can't wait to welcome you to this beautiful part of the world. Let's start planning your story today with us with Asia Exclusive Tour.